Welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the drum keynotes, which is bass, tone and slap. Bass is on the center, tone on the middle and slap on the side. When you hit bass, you have to close your fingers. Tone the same, then on a slap you open your fingers. Now we're going to play twice with right, left and both hands. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. Both hands. Let's try again. Ready? Go. Left. Both hands. Now we're going to increase speed a little bit. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. Both hands. This is the end of African Drum Keynotes. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.